Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please before watching subscribe to my channel. Okay. So in Tally Prime we discuss about how to create the company, how to create the ledgers. Okay. So now press F3. Press shortcut key F3 for company info menu. So select here create company. Press enter. So create the company. So for example, NF agency. Press enter. So address, type the address. Number 255, 10th Main, 5th Cross, Jayanagar 4th Block, Jayanagar 4th Block, Bangalore. Enter. Select state Karnataka. Press KAR 3 character Karnataka. Type pin code 560011. Telephone number, landline number including STD code 080 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Mobile number. Fax number. If there you type it, otherwise press enter. Email. Type the email address rakesh.sr@gmail.com. Press enter. Website. If you have website address, please type it, otherwise leave it. Financial year beginning from. So by default it is showing 1st April 2020. Books beginning from, that is also showing default. So accept the default date. Press enter and accept. Okay friends. So company created is successfully. But after that we accept the company creation screen. So company feature screen will be appear. So in earlier version it won't appear like this. So in this new version, after creating the company feature screen also appear. So here whichever you want you set it yes. Otherwise press enter and move next option. Maintain accounts, yes. Enable bill entry, set to yes. Enable cost center, enable interest calculation. So whenever you do these topics, then only you can set it to yes. Otherwise press enter. Maintain inventory, yes. Integrate accounts with inventory, yes. So leave it, press enter. This is very important. By enable goods and service tax. By default it is showing yes, accept it, press enter. So you have to enter GST detail in this screen. State Karnataka, it's already selected. Registration type regular. Friend, here composition and regular. So two options are there. So one is composition and another one is regular. So you have to select regular. Assessee of the territory, no. Suppose assessee belongs to union territory, then you set to yes, otherwise leave it. GST applicable from 1st April 2020 by default, you accept the default date. This is very important. GST TIN number. Goods and service tax identification number. So GST number format is 29. This is the state code, and the next PAN number, company PAN number. For example, ASDFG 8401K, and next 2ZL, that is customer number. Press enter, enter. Periodicity of GST are monthly. So select monthly. E-way bill applicable, yes. Applicable from accept default date. Threshold limit includes invoice value. Threshold limit 50,000. Applicable for interstate, yes. Threshold limit 50,000. Enable tax liability, no, no, no. Enable GST classification set to yes, accept. Press enter. So enable excise duty set to no, it's not required now. Enter, enter, enter. So maintain payroll, now it is not required, set to no, accept. So in this way we have to create the company in Tally Prime. So now we move to ledger creation. So masters, here in gateway of Tally it is showing masters. In masters, create, alter. In earlier version, create, alter, display. Three options was there. So now display is removed from Tally Prime. So you select create. So in create option, you can create accounting ledger, you can create inventory ledger, and you create payroll ledger also. So here payroll ledger is hidden because we are not set enable payroll in the company feature, that's why it's not showing here. Show more. Click this one. Press enter. So remaining option also appear when we press show more. So here GST classification, in GST details, PAN, CN details, everything will be there. Okay. So now we move to create ledger. Select ledger, press enter. So type the ledger. So for your reference, I have prepared one assignment for you people. Go for that. So I will open this. See here, Mr. Ajay started his business with cash rupees 1 lakh, computer rupees 50,000, furniture rupees 2,50,000, and printer rupees 25,000 received as a capital. So in this transaction there are 5 ledgers are there: cash account, computer account, printer account, furniture account, Ajay's capital account. So here we have to create one by one. Cash, don't create the cash ledger because it is a default ledger in Tally Prime. So there are 2 ledgers or default ledger in Tally Prime. One is cash account and another one is profit and loss account. So don't create the cash account. Move to next ledger, that is computer. Okay. Go to ledger creation screen. Type the computer ledger name. Computer under fixed asset. The group is fixed assets. Accept. Next, print furniture. Furniture, fixed asset. Next one, printer, fixed asset. That is also a fixed asset. These are all property of the business. That's why this ledger comes under fixed assets. So next ledger, Ajay's capital. Type Ajay's capital. Under capital account. Group is capital account. Accept. So next one, second transaction. Mr. Ajay opening current account in Canara Bank and deposited rupees 1 lakh. So here two ledger, one is Canara Bank account, another one is cash. Don't create cash ledger, create Canara Bank current account ledger. Canara Bank under bank account. All current accounts, bank accounts comes under bank account groups. Select bank accounts. Type the account number, your company current account number 44371010001083. IFS code. Type the IFS code. So IFS code format is 4 alpha, 3 zeros and 5 digits. CNRB. That means Canara Bank, 3 zeros, 5 numeric number. That is 5 starting number of your current account number. That is 44371. So this is the proper IFS code. So you check it in any bank IFS code, it will start like this only. Branch, you have to type branch, Jayanagar. Accept it. So next ledger, received hand loan from Mr. Raju rupees 2 lakh by cash account and Raju's hand loan. So create Raju's hand loan. Sorry. It's okay. Raju's hand loan under secured loan. Received loan from any person like parents, brother, sister, wife, son, etc. That is say unsecured loan. That is unsecured loan, not secured loan. That is unsecured loan. Unsecured loan means there is no terms and conditions. Without any terms and condition. Accept it. So next transaction, received loan from HDFC Bank rupees 5 lakh by check. So one is Canara Bank and another one is HDFC Bank loan. So Canara Bank ledger already we created. HDFC Bank loan account we have to be create. HDFC Bank loan. This is not a bank account. This is a loan account. So you have to type HDFC Bank loan under secured loan. Secured loan means pledging the document like sale deed papers, document, any other documents, national savings scheme certificate, etc. or jewelries with terms and condition. That's why it is called secured loan. Accepted. So next ledger, cash deposited to Canara Bank rupees 2 lakh. Canara Bank account data to cash. So Canara Bank already created, cash is default ledger. So next move to purchase transaction. Goods purchased from Rakesh and Company rupees 5 lakh, GST at 18%, invoice number 8175. So here there are 4 ledger, purchase at 18% account, input CGST at 9%, input SGST at 9%. So here input CGST. That means, so whatever the tax we paid at the time of purchase, that is called input. So whatever the tax we collected from the customers when selling the goods, that is output tax. So that's why in purchase we have to give the name Input CGST, input SGST. So create one by one. Purchase at 18% under purchase account. GST applicable? Yes, applicable. Set alter GST detail, set to yes. Enter. Nature of transaction. Here you have to select purchase taxable. Select purchase taxable. Type the percentage, GST rate percentage. Accept. Goods. Type of supply, goods. Accept. Next, input CGST at 9%. Suppose GST is 18%, then CGST goes to 9%, SGST goes to 9%. So select the group, duties and taxes. Select GST, select central tax, accept. Input SGST at 9%. Under duties and taxes, select GST, select state tax, accept. So next is supplier name, Rakesh and Company. Rakesh and Company. Under sundry creditors. So all suppliers comes under sundry creditor. Sundry means number of, several, or group of suppliers. So that's why you have to select sundry creditors. Accept it. So here you type the address, select the country, state, pin code, each and everything you have to be entered when you practice. Okay, right? Accept. So next move to goods sold to Vinayaka Trading Company rupees 9 lakh, GST at 18%, invoice number 67584. So here Vinayaka Trading Company, sales at 18%, output CGST, output SGST. So create one by one. First, Vinayaka Trading Company. Vinayaka Trading Company. Under sundry debtors, group of customers. Accept. Sales at 18% under sales account. GST applicable? Applicable. Set alter GST detail? Yes. Classification undefined because we are entered purchase and sales voucher as voucher, accounting voucher mode, not invoice mode. So nature of transaction, select sales taxable. Sales taxable. Type percentage 18%. Type of supply goods, accept. So next, output CGST at 9%. Under duties and taxes, select GST, select central tax, accept. Next, output SGST at 9%. Duties and taxes, select GST, select state tax, accept it. So move to next transaction. Withdrawn from Canara Bank rupees 50,000 and retained as petty cash. So here petty cash account data to Canara Bank. So petty cash we have to be create. Canara Bank we are already created. But don't create cash account because it is a default ledger in Tally Prime. But you have to create petty cash. So create petty cash under cash in hand. Accept. So next, received rupees 10 lakh by check from Vinayaka Trading Company. So journal entry is Canara Bank account debtor 10 lakh, Vinayaka Trading Company 10 lakh. We are already created both the ledger. Don't create once again Canara Bank and Vinayaka Trading Company. So next one, paid rupees 4,50,000 by check to Rakesh and Company. This is also created in earlier. Don't create Rakesh and Company and Canara Bank. So next one, paid labor charges rupees 5,000 by petty cash. Labor charges account debtor to petty cash. So you have to type labor charges. Labor charges. Direct expenses. Direct expenses. Why it is direct expenses? Because whatever the expenses paid at the time of purchasing the goods, they all comes under direct expenses group. Indirect expenses, that is selling and distribution type. So next ledger, petty cash. We are already created petty cash, leave it. So next one, paid freight charges rupees 15,000 by check. Freight charges account debtor 15,000 to Canara Bank 15,000. Canara Bank already created, type freight charges. Right? Charges. That is also a direct expenses. So next one, paid advertisement charges rupees 25,000 by check. Advertisement charges account debtor to Canara Bank. Advertisement charges, that is indirect expenses. These expenses are occurred at the time of selling and distribution. Select indirect expenses. Accept. So next one, paid electricity charges rupees 6,000, 5,000 by check. Electricity charges. Electricity charges under indirect expenses. So next one, paid insurance charges rupees 10,000 by check. Insurance charges under indirect expenses. So next one, paid puja expenses rupees 2,000 by petty cash. Type puja expenses under indirect expenses. Next, paid petrol expenses rupees 4,000 by petty cash. So type petrol expenses. Petrol expenses under indirect expenses. Accept. So next one, paid rent rupees 50,000 by check. So rent, type rent, indirect expenses. So next one, paid salary rupees 75,000 by check. Salary, type salary, indirect expenses. Accept. So next one, paid stationery charges rupees 3,000 by check. Stationery charges, that is also a indirect expenses. So next one, paid telephone charges rupees 2,000 by check. So telephone charges, under indirect expenses. Accept. So next one, Mr. Ajay withdrawn from Canara Bank rupees 2 lakh for personal use. So ledger is Ajay's drawings account debtor to Canara Bank. So what is the meaning of drawings? Drawings means goods or cash withdrawn from the business for personal use. That is called drawings. You have to type Ajay's drawings. Ajay's drawings under capital account. Accepted. Adjustment. Charge depreciation on furniture at the rate of 10% and on computer at the rate of 20%. So depreciation account data to computer to furniture. So computer furniture already created. You have to create depreciation only. Depreciation under indirect expenses. So next one, charge interest on capital at the rate of 5%. So interest on capital account. Interest on capital under indirect expenses. Okay friends, so like this you have to create company and create ledgers in Tally Prime. In my next video, how to enter the voucher entries in Tally Prime. Thank you for watching my video. So please subscribe my channel, those who are not subscribed till now. So without fail, please subscribe my channel, Netaji Tally Education Center. Thank you.